A flat tyre is rarely convenient, but it can easily be fixed if you have the proper tools. This is what you need: a bicycle tool, a bucket, tyre levers, a puncture repair kit, and a bicycle pump. Start by unscrewing the wheel, loosening the cable to the handbrakes, and lifting the wheel off. Unscrew the valve cap and the ring. The tyre levers make it easy to remove the inner tube without damaging it. Work slowly and carefully. Pump up the tube and put it in a bucket of water to find out where the hole is. You will see little bubbles coming out of it. Mark out the hole and roughen up the surface with the metal rasp so that the patch can be attached properly. Spread the rubber solution over the hole, covering a slightly larger area than the patch itself. Wait for a couple of minutes. Smooth the patch down a few times to make sure it's attached properly. Remove the foil before you put the tube back in. Pump up the tube and check that the inside of the tyre is clean before you put the tube back in. Put the wheel back on and reattach the nuts and brake cables firmly. Pump up the tyre and squeeze it to make sure it has the right amount of air. Then replace the valve cap and the threaded ring. Your flat tyre has now been fixed and your bike is ready for new adventures.